Hello. This is Digital Wealth Rwanda, Samuel. I'm Samuel, and I'm going to share with you the basics of MetaTrade, the application that we use while trading. Uh, First of all, subscribe and make sure that if you have a question, just comment it. Uh, Put there your like, and then we continue to share with you some experiences and our our trading techniques so that you can even make better than us, right? Then this is MT4. MT4 has the four the four menus that everyone has to be familiar with. You see the below menus. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hope you are seeing it. The first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. Let's see every button or every menu how it works. The first one is it is called quotes menu, or it is pairs menus. When you are seeing currencies, Euro, USD, GBP, USD, Euro, it is Euro, and United States dollar. GBP, Great British Pound, and US dollar. USD, Chief, United States dollar, and Swiss francs, and then USD, Japan Yuan, Euro, Chinese, Euro, Swiss francs, Euro, Great British Pound, Audi, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. That card is the card is Canadian dollar, and then I hope you understand those pairs. If you we say pairs, just two currencies. When you are selling pair, you are buying another one. When you are going to the forex bureau and you want to buy a dollar, meaning that there is another currency that you are selling, you are giving out your money and you are getting another kind of currency. Hope you are getting it. Then on this first menu, there is something that everyone has to know. When you place on a pair, you have to see a new order or a new trade. When you are going to trade, you can place on a new trade, and then you can buy or you can sell. But first of all, you have to know what am I buying, what am I selling, why am I buying, why am I selling. Because in forex market there is always an opportunities. So you have to be having the reasons why you are selling or why you are buying. Yeah, to be a good trader. And then you can open chart. A chart, you are going to see it on second menu, and even you can see the symbols properties. You can select view mode if you how you want to see your pairs, right? Then you can even change from one view to another view according to how you want to view it. It's your choice. No one will say that you have to view it in this way. You are the one to select, because this is your money, and when you are making your pips, then you can pay your bills, right? So let's see then how you can see the chart. Then on the second menu, but before we go to the second menu, you are seeing on every pair we have spread, we have high and low. For a good trader, you have to know that. That's why you have to subscribe. You have to make sure that you are in our classes, because we give video calls. We interact with everyone so that everyone can get a full understanding of how this works. Then, for example, spreads, these highs and lows, you have to know them. So join our class, make a subscribe, make a call, make a chat on us, call us, or use WhatsApp or any other channel. You will see us there and we will interact. We will make it make it worth to you. Yeah. Then for the first thing for this menu, how to have understand what is called, what is a base, what is a pair, what is a spread. If you don't see your pair here, you can just place on that, add that plus, and then you add there your pair that you are willing to trade on that day. Then you can continue from there. Then the second menu, you are seeing candles. Japanese candles. Candles are the ones that have the information that you want for us to be able to place a sell trade or a buy trade. Hope you understand. Then, when you are going to trade, you have to know where do I sell, where do I buy, why am I selling, why am I buying. We buy low, we sell high. Then there are some confirmations that you have to be having so that you place a trade or buying or selling. For me to place a buy, I have to be having some confirmations, more than three confirmations. Then these candles have the information that you have for you to be a good trader, to be able to say that I'm going to buy or I'm going to sell. Then let's see, we have red candles and we have green candles. Hope you are seeing them. As forex or crypto trading is concerned, we have bullish candles and bearish candles. The one that is green going up, when the rates are going up, then we are increasing in price, and then that's what we call bullish candles. And then those red ones from above, from higher to lower, those comes when there is what we call a bearish, when the sellers are controlling the market, and it is also another opportunity to sell. When we are going up, we buy. When we are going down, we sell. Then on this menu, you can see the time frames on that watch. Time frame 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, a week, a month, according to information that we want. From us, we teach our students top-down analysis, and if you want to understand what it's all about, come and join us. Then you can see symbols, those codes, those pairs. You can select the pair that you want. And then we have F, functions or indicators. You can select indicators that you want, and we will have the video that explains some useful indicators. And if you want them, just make a subscribe and follow us every day. And then we have the other plus in the right corner, that is for a new trade. If you are seeing that this is a red candle and then you are going to place a sell, then you can place on that plus and then you make your order. Then we teach our students how to make analysis, how to put there some lines, some trend lines, support and resistance, all those kinds. Hope you are getting it. Yeah, trend lines, or every kind of shapes you can draw them, and it will help you to make a good understanding. Then, yeah, these are part of what we teach our students, and hope if you join class, if you are willing to study, yeah, you will understand every kind of this information. Yeah, not too much, and you can make it worth, yeah, some kind of analysis that we teach our students. Please, if you want to make it with forex, make sure that you follow our channels. Make sure that you call us. Make sure that Samuel and Saj is also there. We have best mentors, we have best teachers, and you can make it in life using this industry that is over $6 trillion US daily turnover. Then on the third menu, you will see balance, equity, and margin, and even when you have some orders that are open, you will see them here. And then the fourth one, it is for history. For history, how much money have you made a day, and then you can see how your day was. You can see how your month was. How you can choose from these periods, time interval, and then you see how you are trading, how you are behaving in the market, and then everything. You have to be revising what your results are. I hope now you understand. Then we have talked about four menus. The first one of the pairs, the second one of the candles, the third one of balancers and the open trades, and the fourth one of the history of the money that you have made. These pips can pay your bills. For sure, I am telling you, if you can understand well how the concept, how the market moves, you will make your money, and your pips will pay your bills. Then pips are the ones that when we are calculating what we are, how the price moved from one point to another. Then those are calculated in pips. Hope you will understand when you are joining our classes, or you can continue viewing our videos. You will understand everything. And if you want to learn it very faster, then join our classes. So thank you, and for those who understand our local language, ya murakaza neza. Izi zari meni enye twifashisha muri forex trading zibanze. Izindi ntabwo simvuze ko zidakenewe, ntabwo ari cyane, ariko izibanze umuntu aba agomba kuba yimenyereza ni izo ngizo. So muhawe ikaze rero muri Digital Wealth Rwanda. Izo meni enye twabonye ya mbere y'amapeya yerekana currency y'ibihugu agiye atandukanye, tubona iya kabiri ijyanye na candles, tubona iya gatatu ijyanye no kumenya balance ufite, kumenya trades cyangwa orders zifunguye, tubona n'iya kane yerekana historique y'ibyo wakoze ku munsi cyangwa se ku kwezi cyangwa se byose biba biriho. So ubwo rero ndabashishikariza ko ababyifuza bakomeza bakagana ishuri ryacu Digital Wealth Rwanda. Abanyarwanda, abarundi, mwabibyaza umusaruro, kandi ni umwuga mwiza cyane. So turabashimiye rero kuba mukomeza gukurikira channel yacu. Tubifuriza gukomeza kubona amafaranga meza, kuryoherwa na forex ndetse na crypto kubayikora. Ubundi dukomeze tubyaze umusaruro izi technology, kandi dukora n'ibintu bitubyarira umusaruro. So thank you for following. You are welcome, and see you next